Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to open the settings, then find and pick wallpaper. And it's time to pick the wallpaper that you would like to cover your screen with. You can either pick one from the defaults or pick some picture from your gallery, so it's all up to you. I will pick some default one, maybe the last one, and finally decide if you would like to pick it just for your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. And I will choose both of them. This is how it will look like, and finally click on Set as Wallpaper. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's all. This is how you can quickly and easily change wallpaper on your Galaxy Tab. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.